passenger coaches manufacturing plant Tulpar-Talgo, built in 2011, is first of its kind in the CIS. Construction of the plant was performed in cooperation with JSC Kazakhstan and the Spanish company Tulpar-Talgo. The project is being implemented as part of the State Program of Accelerated Industrial and Innovative Development with the support of the President of the Republic of Kazakhstan, Nursultan Nazarbayev. The total production area is 31,000 square meters. Total manufacturing capacity of the plant is 150 cars per year. In the production of Tulpar-Talgo coaches, the advanced technologies and materials in accordance with the European quality standards are used, which allows to reach speeds of up to 200 km per hour. Service life of the coaches is 40 years. Tulpar-Talgo passenger trains possess technological features and advantages over the rest of the passenger coaches manufacturers, such as pendular air suspension, lightweight body shell, independent wheels with guided axles, and articulated union between coaches. Tulpar-Talgo coaches may be suited to almost any outdoor operating conditions, and its wheel sets may operate on different gauges. Modern automatized diagnostics and control systems allow to monitor all train systems, quickly detect and eliminate failures even while the train is in service. Train set configurations can be customized upon client's request with the following coaches: tourist sleeping coach for 18 seats, business class coach for 12 seats, first class coach for 10 seats with a shower and WC in each compartment, first-class coach for 6 seats with a compartment for people with disabilities, tourist coach for 36 seats, dining coach for 30 seats, bistro coach. At present, Tulpar-Talgo is one of the largest plants in the capital of Kazakhstan and has manufactured over 400 coaches. The company plans to manufacture over 600 comfortable wide-body coaches until 2020.